Hello and welcome everyone to this Python tutorial, and in this Python tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows system. So Jupyter Notebook is a powerful tool for interactive computing, data analysis and visualization. So using a Jupyter Notebook you can create shared documents that contains your code, equations, visualization and narrative text. So you can keep all of those things in one place in one notebook, and for that, you can use a Jupyter Notebook. And as a machine learning enthusiast or data science enthusiast, this tool will be very helpful for you because you are going to do all of these things like a data analysis, creating machine learning, accessing a Python library, everything in this interactive tool. So to install this tool, you need to open a command on your computer. So open a command, and after opening command, if you have created any virtual environment for your project, you can install in that virtual environment. So let's view the environment. So type dir and it will list all the directory in your current space. So as you can see here, I've created here a virtual environment TensorFlow env. So I'm going to use this environment and I will install Jupyter Notebook in this environment. So first let's activate this environment. To activate this environment, type /env. So sorry, here environment name is TensorFlow. So always make sure when you specify the environment name, if you specify wrong environment name, then it's not going to activate the environment. So here environment name is a TensorFlow env, then type /scripts/activate and hit enter. Now if you see something like this, TensorFlow env within a parenthesis, then you have activated the TensorFlow environment. Now here we are going to install the Jupyter Notebook. So to install Jupyter Notebook, you need to type a command pip install notebook and then hit enter. And then it will download the notebook package or Jupyter package from the internet and install on your system. So wait for a minute or a while and it will install the Jupyter on your system. Now Jupyter Notebook is installed successfully. After installing the Jupyter Notebook, let's verify it. So to verify it, type here Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. And this will open a Jupyter dashboard. And as you can see here, this is the Jupyter dashboard and you can see here files, and these are the files of your current directory. Here you can see file, view, setting, help. And now to create a new Jupyter Notebook, you see here button new, click on it and select the notebook to create a new Jupyter Notebook. And you need to select the Python version. So here you will execute a multiple Python codes, and for that you need to choose the Python version for your notebook, and especially it is called a kernel. So from this list you can choose the different version of Python because you may have installed Python 3, Python 3.10, Python 3.11, Python 3.12, and you may want to work with a different version of the kernel. So from here you can select the kernel for your specific notebook. So currently I have installed Python 3, select the Python 3 from here. Now the first thing that you see here, it is called a code cell, and this code cell is empty. It is called code cell because here you can execute all the Python codes, all the machine learning codes, all the data analysis code you can execute in this cell. So for example, you can write here your print function of the Python like print, and then within parentheses specify the string word hello world. And now to execute this cell, to execute this code, you see here this play icon. Click on it and it will execute your code or code cell. So in the output you can see hello world. And there are more ways to execute this cell. Let me show you. So write print and within here printing cell. And now to execute this, here click on run, then click on run selected cell option and it will execute your cell. There is one more way you can execute the cell. Write a print within this code cell, and now here third way to execute the cell. And now from your keyboard press shift and enter, it will execute the code cell. This is how you can execute the code. And there is one another concept in this markdown cell. So what exactly markdown cell is? In markdown cell, you can write your HTML thing like a heading. You can format the text. You can write the code to show and to just guide your code, or you can give a description about the code, or maybe if you want to show something about the code, you can do that with a markdown. So you need to convert this cell into markdown cell. So here you see code, click on this, and now here you see markdown, click on markdown, and this cell will be converted into markdown cell. Let me show you an example. Let's print a heading. So type a hash and then specify heading, and now execute this cell. As you know, to execute this cell, press shift plus enter, and now it created heading. You can also create a bullet point. So for that, you're gonna need to convert this cell again into a markdown cell. Go here, markdown, this cell is converted to markdown cell. Now type here, and you can type here bullet. So to create a bullet point, you need to type a hyphen, then bullet point 1, and again bullet point 2, and now execute this cell. This created bullet point. Now you understand why this markdown is required, how it can help you. So next I'm going to show you can also add a links. So for example, convert this cell to markdown cell, and now to add a link, write here brackets, and within brackets type the label. So like here Google, and after that outside of the bracket specify parentheses, within parentheses specify the link. So here you can give link https then www.google.com, and now execute this cell. You have created this link using the markdown, and if you click on it, and it will open the Google, or it will open the link. You can see here. And now you can see how the markdown is very helpful. You can create a cell below to this cell. You see this cell. If you want to create a new cell below this cell, so you see here plus button, and here you can see it shows insert a cell below. Click on it, and it will insert the cell below to the current cell. And now if you want to insert the cell above to the current cell, just click on it, and it will insert the new cell above the current cell. And if you want to move any of the cell, like this cell, this is the cell. So here you want to move it, click on up arrow. And if you want to move this down, click on down arrow. And next, if you want to duplicate this cell, like say print, and write anything, duplicate. And if you want to duplicate this cell, you see here icon, click on it, and it will duplicate your cell. This is how you can use the Jupyter Notebook, and this is just a overview about a Jupyter Notebook. And as we will learn about a TensorFlow and machine learning, you will understand how you can use this powerful Jupyter Notebook tool. And these are the visual way to insert cell, duplicate cell, and delete cell. So you can delete cell, like you can see here. I can delete. I can click on it, and it will delete the cell. Now there is a command that you need to know. And when you know the command, you can work very faster with this Jupyter Notebook. So suppose that this is your current cell, and if you want to insert the cell above this cell, you just simply click somewhere on the screen away from this cell, and then from your keyboard press A. It will insert a new cell above this cell. And if you want to insert a new cell below this cell, just press B, and it will insert the below to the current cell. So you can see here. Now if you wanna delete this current cell, as you can see here, the blue outline, this means this is the current cell. So if you wanna delete this cell, press D 2 times quickly, and as you can see, it deleted this cell. And this is a very basic thing that you need to know when you work with a Jupyter Notebook, or when you are going to work with a Jupyter Notebook. And as we will proceed, we will learn much about Jupyter Notebook. And at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.